Alrighty, so to give some insight on each of these little breakdowns, the first one is the average age based on gender. And for females, the average age was 43.094 years old. For males, it was 44.314 years old. And now, when it comes to the average age based on relationship status, we'll start with the divorced. The divorced is average age of 41.84. Domestic relationship is 44.45. Married is 43.29. Try and get it in there it is, 43.29. Single is 45. Widowed is 54.38. And moving on now, we'll go towards the average cold beverages consumed by state. To start, Tennessee is 0.810 per day. North Carolina is 0.862. It kind of cuts out of the screen recording, so you can't see the exact number. But South Carolina is 1.067. Georgia is 1.333. Alabama is 0.860. Mississippi is 2.191. And Louisiana is 1.579 average cold beverages per day. Further on, we'll move to the preferred cold beverage based on age. So diet carbonated is 42.08. Flavored sparkling water is 42.786. Iced coffee is 41.412. Iced tea is 43.941. Sports drinks 42.406. Sugar carbonated drinks is 44.970. And tap water is 44.771. And finally, unflavored sparkling water is 45.688. Hope this insight helped explain these charts and graphs a little better. And yeah, that'll do it.